In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert video clips between other clips in Shotcut. If you've ever had two clips on your timeline and realized you want to place another clip right between them, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can get comfortable doing this anytime. First, make sure you have 3 video files ready: your first clip, your second clip, and the clip you want to insert in the middle. Once your Shotcut project is open, place the first 2 clips on the same track in the order you want. Take a moment to adjust their start and end points so they're exactly how you want them. This saves time later and ensures the timing feels right once the middle clip is in place. Now, create enough space between those first 2 clips to fit the third one. The easiest way is to click and drag the second clip to the right, leaving a gap. You don't need to be exact yet, but try to leave at least as much room as the duration of the clip you plan to insert. If it helps, zoom in on the timeline to see the edges clearly and keep snapping on so the clips align neatly. Next, drag your middle clip into the gap. You can pull it from the playlist or directly from your file browser. Drop it inside the space you just made so it sits between the first and second clips. If the clip tries to overlap, slide it slightly until it lands cleanly in the gap. Shotcut snapping will help it lock into place. Finally, arrange them so everything flows. Nudge the edges if you need tiny timing adjustments, and play back the sequence from a few seconds before the first clip to a few seconds after the second clip. If you see an unintended transition, separate the edges slightly so each cut is clean. When the pacing looks good and the audio sounds natural across the cuts, you're done. That's all there is to it. Set up your first 2 clips, make space between them, drag the third clip into the gap, and tidy the timing. With a little practice, this becomes a quick habit that makes editing feel smoother and more intentional. If this helped, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.